Let's get this money.
What up, Yardbirds Junkers? We're going on another adventure. We got Grayson here. We're gonna go hit up a garage sale cleanup. Now we don't know if this one's off a flyer or if this one is off. The car's freezing ass because it's been sitting for a little bit here because we've been picking up other stuff, doing some moves and stuff. But we don't know if this is off a flyer or a Google lead. We're gonna find out, and we'll see you in a bit. Friends, we got all that. We've got all this to go. They're gonna go. The customer's gonna go through it, and then we're gonna undo the tarp, and we got more in the back. That right there. Not bad, except for the cabinet don't go. And then the rest of the wood, and that's it, except for the pallets. Looks like a good trip. This is a garage sale pickup, and they found us on the internet, not a flyer. Internet, this is why you do. Make sure you take care of your customers and do your reviews. Look at that, friends. It's all gone. All gone. What's up, team? It is freezing ass cold. We got some work to do to the truck, as you can see. Gotta get that standard plumbing stuff off. But we are going to a job that's pretty big. Came from a realtor. Remember when Matt Vick said to put candy dishes and stuff out to the realtors? Well, this realtor came through and got a big job. That whole truck, that whole 26 is going to get full. It's ours. We're going to go see what we can get, and we're going to show you. Grayson, we're going to go meet Grayson in Orem right now. The old Grayson. Upstairs is almost pretty much finished. A couple things, that's it. Well, team, we got a little bag here. Show you a little surprise. Ooh, look at that. That's some collectible cars. See that? We also got the original Light-Brite. We just finished it up. We got that place done. Got the whole truck full, almost. The whole 26-footer almost full. And we got a $100 tip. Money, 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 money! Money! Yep, we're in the Dees McGee's. What the daylight is right now. So tomorrow we'll go to the dump and we'll show you our finds. I showed you those Matchbox cars already. We'll see what else we got. Peace. Okay, team, we're out at the dump right now. You can see we found apparently these guys cut human hair out of there. So this is our pile so far. We got a nice tent for resale. TV, my buddy's taking to play Nintendo on. There you go, King Tut. Just kidding, I don't know what that is. So you can see we got a full truck. Some of this is going to donation, but we got a lot of wire we can recycle. So we'll tell you when we got the good stuff. But so far we're going through all the crap and just chucking it. There's a lot of reusables here for the house for sure. So, but full truck. Let us know in the comments section. We found some 1960s National Geographics and 1970s. So I heard some of those are worth money. Let us know, hit us up in the comment section if you know anything about these. We're going to try to eBay these and see if we get anything. And put this in your Google machine. 1990s Telco doll, Tigger, 45 bucks. Good find right there. That's why you got to go through all your stuff. Always go through your boxes, team.